Okay, so good day everyone. We have here the topic 3.3D Hexadecimal Division. Okay, so the rule is convert the divisor to decimal, then convert the first dividend and the succeeding dividends to decimal and proceed to decimal division. Okay, so example number 1, we have 5 BCD2F3 is divided by C. Okay, first converting the divisor. Okay, this is the divisor. Divide. So this is the divisor. Okay, let's use this one, divisor. Divisor. Okay, so the divisor will be C, and C is equals to 12. Okay, so our divisor is 12. Then, of course, 5 divided by C cannot be. So we have our first dividend will be 5B. Okay, so converting 5B. Convert 5B, first dividend. This is the first dividend. Okay, so first dividend is 5B. Okay, so 5B. And 5B is equals to, okay, so 5B will become B times 1 plus 5 times 16, and that will be equal to okay, so B is 11, so 11, so 5 times 16 is 80, so this will become 11 plus 80, and this will be equal to 91. Okay, so our first dividend is 91. Okay, so we have 91 divided by 12. Okay, so 91 divided by 12, and that will be okay, so 91 divided by 12 is 7. Okay, so the answer is 7. Okay, so therefore we write 7 on the top of letter B. Okay, so 7, then 7 times C, so we have, and then 7 times C, and that will be equal to 12 times 7, and that is 84. So 84, and we have 84 divided by, converting to hexadecimal. So 84 divided by 16. So 84, then 84, and 84 divided by 16. Okay, 16, that will be 5.25 equals to 5.25, and 5.25 will become, so we have, meaning 0.25 times 16, so we have 5, and 0.25 times 16, okay, times 16 equals to 4. So therefore we have 54. Okay, so we have 7 times C is equals to 54 in hexadecimal. Okay, so 54 in hexadecimal. Okay, so our answer is 54. So write 54. So 5, 4. Okay? So 5, 4. Then, we subtract. Okay? Subtract. So we have B is 11. Okay? B is 11 minus 4, and that will be 7. Okay? So our answer is 7. Okay? Then bring down C. Okay? Then our second dividend will become, okay? So second dividend is 7C. Okay? So 7C. Then 7C, converting 7C. So 7C is equals to C times 1 plus 7 times 16. And that will be equal to okay, so 12. Okay, so 7 times 16 plus 12, and that will be equal to 124. And then we have 124 again divided by 12 is equals to 10, and 10 is equals to 8. Okay, so therefore our answer is for the 7. Next, above the C, it's right 8. Okay. Then we have again A times 7 multiplication, A times C rather, A times C. So we have, okay, so multiplication now. So A times C is equals to 10 times 12, and that will be equal to 120. Okay, so 120 converting to hexadecimal. So 120 divided by 16. Okay, again divided by 16, that will be equal to, okay, so 120 divided by 16, and that will be 7.5. And 7.5 will become, okay, so 0.5 times 16, and that will be 8. Okay, so that will be 8. So we have so therefore we have 120 is equals to 78 base 16. Okay, so 78 base 16. Okay, so we have 78 base 16. So we write 7, 8. Okay, so write 7, 8 or 7 to 8. So we have, then subtraction. We have C minus 8. Okay, so C minus 8 is 4. Okay, or 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, so write 4. Okay, so we write 4. Okay, so this is 4. The next, bring down D. Okay, so bring down D. So our next, our third, okay, let's cut this one. Okay, this is our divisor. The next, our third dividend. So let's write our third dividend. Third dividend. So we have 4D. And 4D is equals to D times 1 plus 4 times 16. Okay. So least significant bit is D. So we have D is 13. Okay. 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 13 is D. So 13 plus 4 times 16, and that will be 77. Okay, so 77. So meaning we have 77, and then 77 divided by 12, and that will be equal to, so 6. The answer is 6. Okay, so write 6. We write 6. Okay, so above letter D we write 6. Okay, so this is 6. Then 6 times C. So we have, then 6 times C. That will be equal to, so 6 times 12. 6 times 12 is 72. So that will be 72. And then 72 converted to hexa. So 72 will be equal to 72 divided by 16. That is, so 4.5 equals to 4.5, and 4.5 will become, is equals to 4, and 0.5 times 16, that will be 8. So we have 48. So 6 times C is 72, and 72 in hexa is, okay, so this is base 16. In hexa, 48 is 72 is equals to 48. So therefore we have 4, 8. Okay, then we subtract. Okay, subtract. The next, 13 minus 8, and that will be 5. Okay, so our answer is 5. Okay, so then bring down 5, and then bring down 2. Okay, so we have 52. So 52, again, our fourth dividend is equals to 52. And 52 converting to, so 52 is equals to 2 times 1 plus 5 times 16. That will be equal to, okay, so 5 times 16, 80 plus 2, so we have 82. Okay, so 82. Then 82 divided by 12, and that will be equal to, divided by 12, and that will be equal to 6. Okay, so 6.833. So we use 6. Okay, so then we have 6. Okay, so this will become 6. Okay, so 6 times C, then we have 6 times C, 6 times C, and that will be equal to 6 times 12, 72. Okay, so 72 converted to, and 72 divided by 16, that will be 4.5. So 4.5, and that will be equal to, again, that is equals to 48 base 16. Okay, so our answer is 6 times C is also 48. Okay, so 48. Okay, 48. Then we subtract. Okay, subtract. Okay, then subtract. 2 minus 8 cannot be, so borrow 1 from 5. So 5 will become 4. Okay, so cross out. 5 will become 4, and 2 plus 16. 2 plus 16 is 18. So our answer is 8. So this will become 8. Okay. So 16 plus 2 is 18. So 18 minus 8 is 10, which is equals to 8. Then bring down F. Okay. So bring down F. So this will be F. Okay. Then the fifth dividend is equals to AF, and AF is equals to F times 1 plus 10 times 16. So we have, so this is 160 plus 15. So 160 plus 15, and that will be equal to 160 plus 15 is 175. Okay, so 175. So we have 175 divided by 12, and our answer is, okay, 175 divided by 12 is 14. So 14.5833 something. So we use 14. So use 14, and 14 is equals to E. Okay, so our answer here is, we put above the letter F is E. Okay, so this is E. Then E times C we have. Okay, so just follow the procedure. So E times C, which is equals to, E is equals to 14 times C is 12. So we have, so 14 times 12, and we have 168. 168 convert to 168. So 168 divided by 16, and that will be equal to, divided by 16 is 10.5, and 10.5 is equals to A8. Okay, so 0.5 times 16 is 8, and A is 10. So A8. So our answer, so write A8. Okay, then subtract. Okay, subtract. Okay, class, just follow the procedure, or you can rerun the video. Okay, so 15 minus 8 is 7. So our answer is 7. Then bring down 3. Okay, so bring down 3, and then the next, the last dividend. Okay, so the last dividend is equals to 7.3, and 7.3 converted to decimal. So we have 3 times 1 plus 7 times 16, and we have, okay, so 7 times 16 plus 3, so we have 115. So 115. And then we have 115 divided by the next 115 divided by 12, and our answer is 9.5833. So we use 9 as your multiplier. Okay, so then write 9. Okay, so we write 9. Then this is 9. The next 9 times, the next is 9 times C, which is equals to 9 times 12, and equal to, okay, 9 times 12 is equals to, okay, 9 times 12, 9 times 12 is 108, 108, okay, so 108, then 108 converted to, okay, 108 converted to decimal, hexadecimal. So this is 108 divided by 16, and that will be equal to, divided by 16, and that will be 6.75, which is equals to our first number, 0.75 times 16 times 16, and that will be 12. And 12 is C. Okay, so this is C. So 6.75 is C. Okay, so we write 6C. 6C. Okay, and then we subtract 3 minus C, or 3 minus 12 cannot be, so borrow 1. So this 7 will become 6, and 3 plus 16 is 19. 19 minus 12, and that will be 7. Okay, so our answer is 7. Okay, so therefore we have our remainder is 7 over C. Okay, so I hope you understand the procedure through this video, or you can rerun the video for further review. Okay, if you have some questions, you are free to contact me on our GC. Okay, so good day and God bless us all.